It's insane. Save him, Mr. Krabs. Oh man. Don't doubt myself. Okay, I'll try my best not to. Ooh, I'm still kind of shooken up by those last like 2 episodes. That was crazy. Let's see. Oh, there's someone here. You seem approachable and friendly.
Hello? I'm looking for Rose. Is she here?
What do you want with her?
I need to talk to her.
She doesn't want to talk. Go away.
Please, I really need to see her.
I'm Rose. What can I do for you?
I was told you could help us.
Help you?
We do have a lot of viewers. It was all thanks to that raid. Everyone is amazing.
Come on. It's better if we talk inside.
In this game, every choice is right. Absolutely. Yeah, you're absolutely correct. Yeah, no choice is wrong. I feel bad that Connor had to die there, though, but, it's alright.
Do you think we can trust him?
Well, we have no choice.
We don't have a choice.
Is there anything I can explore outside? Oh, I could talk to her.
You okay?
I'm cold, Kara.
We'll get inside. You'll warm up in no time.
This child's gonna die. She hasn't eaten in like a week, I feel like. I got good vibes.
Come in.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, Connor died. I accidentally, well, kind of accidentally got myself killed by saving Hank.
What's your name?
Alice.
She's running a fever.
We've spent the last few nights outside. She's exhausted.
There's a spare room upstairs. You can put her to bed and I'll bring her something to eat. Adam, will you show them upstairs?
Damn, this is crazy. Yeah, we got married about a month ago, I think. What am I doing again? I forgot. Follow Adam stairs. I have ADHD, so I forget things quickly. Me and stairs don't get along very well in this game. There we go. Oh, thanks, guys. I actually haven't been streaming that long. I started 2 weeks ago, I think. Okay, move faster. Is there anything in here I can interact with? I don't think so. Just the bed. Avery's trying to steal your meatball. Avery is our cat, by the way. He always causes chaos. Thanks for the congrats, guys. That's so sweet. Oh, thanks. Oh, impressive. 3 weeks.
I'm fine, Kara. We can't stop because of me. We've got to get across the border.
Are you sure? Say nothing? Are you sure?
You need rest. Get a good night's sleep and we'll set off again tomorrow.
Why do humans hate us? We didn't do anything wrong.
That's right. Scared, unhappy, misunderstanding. Complicated. Scared?
Maybe they're just scared.
I don't know.
People are always scared of what they don't
Of
know.
course, Austin.
Why can't we just talk to each other? They'd see we're not bad.
Optimistic, sincere, pessimistic, optimistic, of course. Good vibes
Maybe
only.
one day we will.
I don't know what you like, but I made you Rose's world-famous spaghetti. You'll be back on your feet in no time. There's something for her fever.
Thank you.
It's your government name.
I'll get these washed and dried.
Aw. Thanks so much. So just eating. You know, she needs to eat.
You need to eat something.
She hasn't ate anything in a
You
while.
haven't had anything since we left.
Yeah.
Promise me you'll try?
Honestly, that
I'll be
food looks
downstairs
really
if you
good.
need anything.
Let's see,
Get
closed
some sleep.
curtains. Oh.
And tomorrow, you'll be stronger than me.
These people are really nice so far.
I'll stay with her a while.
Talk to Rose. Okay. Aw. She needs to eat though, like, Oh, I love how everyone is so supportive in this, oh, can I snoop? In this, stream. See? Look outside. Nothing else? Nope. Guess I can't snoop. Okay. Down we go. Anything I can interact with? No. Just Rose?
I didn't get your name.
Oh, you play Call of Duty? Oh, nice.
I'm Kara.
This is my son, Adam. I'm Rose, but you know that already. Come and have a seat, Kara.
Austin, you were so close
So
to
are you gonna
affiliate.
tell me what a deviant's doing in the snow with a little girl?
Cautiously sincere.
Her father was beating her. When I saw what was happening, something snapped inside of me. All of a sudden, I felt like her life was more important than mine. I had to protect her. So we ran away.
I understand.
Why help many deviants Rose? Thanks. Maybe thank you?
I don't know how to thank you. Alice wouldn't have survived another night outdoors.
I just try to lend a helping hand when I can.
Many deviants. Maybe many deviants? We'll see.
We're not the first ones to come here.
These past few weeks, we've seen more and more. I don't know what's going on, but something's happening.
We've heard you help androids cross the border. Can you help us?
The only way is over the river, and it's mostly frozen in winter. It's very risky. And after that android speech on TV, everybody's on edge. It's probably safer for you to stay here until things settle down.
Insist?
We can't keep hiding like this. Alice needs to feel safe and have a normal life. We have to get across that border. No matter what. Please. You've got to help us.
Rose, come quickly.
Ooh, let's follow. Yeah, join our Discord, guys. You're in there a lot. An unhealthy amount.
What's going on?
It's Mary. She just shut down.
Oh. Can you guys move so I can see? Bruh. Oh my god, there we
We
go.
escaped together. We used to talk about what we would do once we got across the border.
Oh.
I loved her. I loved her more than anything. What will I do without her?
Oh, is it? I can't wait to watch your guys' streams. I'm definitely gonna follow like after this.
Let's let them be.
What is she doing down here?
Alice? What are you doing? You should be resting.
I wasn't sleepy.
It's okay.
That sucks.
She didn't want to stay in her room any longer. You all right, Kara?
Yeah, sounds like you guys had a lot of fun.
Yes. I'm fine.
You can't hide them. Not after what those deviants did today. It's too dangerous. Do you know what will happen if the police find them here? We'll go to prison, Mom. Do you understand me? Prison!
Adam! We've already talked about this.
No! I won't back down this time. You're gonna ruin our lives, and for what? For a bunch of machines?
They are not machines! They are alive!
I'm alive! You're alive! They're nothing! And none of this would be happening if Dad was still here.
I will not stand for that kind of talk.
I'm not going to prison because you want to help these
Gotta
freaks.
slap
That's
this
enough,
boy.
Adam! That's enough!
You're getting bullied by your own chat. Oh my god. Thanks for your own menace. That is hilarious. Talk to Rose. Did I already do it already? Talk to Rose, see Rose. Okay, here we go.
Don't mind him. Sometimes he just boils over. It's been hard since his dad passed away. But he's a fine boy.
Are you sure?
I'll go see about getting you across the border tonight, okay? You stay here. I won't be long.
Rose is so sweet. Okay, now can I snoop? World War III. My favorite part of this game is snooping. It's me! Ooh, what y'all doing over here? She should be in bed, but you know.
I hope Rose gets back soon.
Kara, there's something I need to tell you. It's about Alice.
Not now, Luther.
She doesn't want to hear apparently anything that Luther has to say. Ooh, I can snoop a lot of places. Holy smokes. Ooh. Where else can I snoop? You guys in chat are so funny. Can I not cut through the chat? Wow. Well, I feel dumb. Help. Send help. Oh, what's this? Every time I open up the news, I get very depressed. So...
There is widespread shock following the android attack on Detroit's Stratford Tower. The machines recorded a video message and broadcast what can only be described as demands on the city's public screens. It's still unclear whether these attacks can be explained by malfunctions or if some organization is behind them. So far, CyberLife has refused to comment, but we can expect more information in the following hour.
Alright. Oh. I'm scared.
The police. It's the police.
The police? Wait, I have a minute? Bruh. What I gotta do? Hide stuff?
What are we gonna
Well,
do?
hide this.
And they know we're here. We have to open the door.
They gotta give me more time. Okay, Alice, I think, should go upstairs.
I knew this
Hurry,
was gonna happen.
take Alice and hide
Upstairs.
upstairs.
Come on, Alice.
What else? The closet that was open, I think, should be closed. What else can we do? Shut the door. Is there any doors that are open? Oh, the laundry room? Yeah. Hide androids. Is that it? I feel like that's it. Like, what else could we... Something over here. Are you sure?
Just keep calm, Adam, and everything will be all right.
I think that's kind of all we gotta do.
Good evening, ma'am. Sorry to disturb you. We've had reports of androids in the area. With all this deviant business going on, you can't be too careful. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions?
I'd prefer you don't.
May I come in?
Of course.
Evening, young man.
Good evening.
His voice did eat, though. It's sultry. You're on my side? Oh. You're so cute.
Would you like a cup of coffee?
I'd love one. Have you noticed anything unusual recently? Any unexpected visitors?
No? No, nothing in particular.
Make coffee.
Is anyone else in the house?
Alice? Oh.
There's my daughter. She's asleep upstairs.
That's a weird shaped coffee mug thing. Picture. I'm nervous.
Do you have any androids here?
No.
No, there are no androids here.
I don't like this tension at all. Just drink your coffee and leave.
Thanks.
Please return. Oh, I'm too good. Please leave. He doesn't want to talk with me anymore? Just...
What's your name, son?
Adam. My name is Adam.
Is everything all right, Adam?
The androids.
He needs a rest. He's been working in the garden all day.
Do you know anything about deviants? Have you seen any?
No. No. I haven't seen anything.
Why do you drink like that? I thought the same thing, but I didn't want to say anything.
I better go. Thanks for the coffee.
Adam, shut the
Have a nice evening.
Oh, did we do it? Let's go. Uh-oh.
Is somebody else in the house?
Dog wash machine win? Dog?
It's the dog. He sleeps in the laundry room.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
Now get out of here.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, Adam.
I think we did it. Oh yeah, what if Rose came in? Ooh. Almost pooped my pants.
He's gone.
It's okay, Alice. We'll be safe now.
Ooh.
It's Rose.
That timing.
Get yourselves ready. We leave tonight.
She seems so tired. Damn. What if I had messed up? Would I have died? It's a great possibility. What's happened to Connor? Because I got him killed on accident. Let's see. 69% completed. Nice. Let's go. Let's see. World stats. Here we go. There's a few things we missed. Oh man. Okay, it's alright. Upstairs. Okay. The policeman made him coffee. Let's see. Policeman questions Adam. Policeman fooled 89% and he left. So there is an alternate way we could have went where he didn't get fooled. Oh man. That was a really good one. I think we should do another chapter. Let's do it.